Do you want to know the best tips for radiant eyes that stand out? Let's delve into the world of mascara, a magical cosmetic tool that can transform your eyes from ordinary to extraordinary. Stay tuned to uncover the secret to stunning, attention-grabbing eyes. Before we dive into the mascara application, let's talk preparation. The health of your lashes matters. Regular cleaning and careful maintenance are key. A good lash primer also sets the stage for seamless mascara application. With proper lash care, your mascara application becomes a breeze. Now that your lashes are primed and ready, let's choose the right mascara brush. From volumizing brushes with dense bristles to lengthening brushes with spaced-out bristles, each type creates a unique effect. Your desired look should guide your choice. Remember, the right brush can make all the difference in your mascara game. Now that we have our lashes prepped and the right brush in hand, it's time for the main event, applying the mascara. Start with a zigzag motion at the base of your lashes to create volume. Then, use a lash comb to separate and define each lash. Remember, your lower lashes need love too, so don't forget to give them a gentle coat. For a fun twist, consider using colored mascara on special occasions. With these steps, you're well on your way to achieving radiant and captivating eyes. Let's recap what we've covered and answer some common questions. We've unraveled the mystery of mascara, from lash prep to choosing the right brush. Remember, a well-chosen brush and a primer can make a world of difference. Zigzag movements for volume, a lash comb for separation, not forgetting the lower lashes, and colored mascara for special occasions all contribute to radiant eyes. You asked how to choose, apply, avoid smudging, and remove mascara. We've answered. With these tips and tricks, you're now ready to make your eyes shine brighter than ever.